Welcome back to another great YouTube video, you guys. Sorry, I've been going away. I've been trying to do some remodeling. As you see, I have a beautiful shelf in the back that needs to be painted, so I will do a whole nother video about that. If you guys think that's awesome, please leave a comment down below so I can go in detail of how I designed that, how I came up with a great idea, and what color I end up painting it. But today's video is all about Shein. I'm just finding some amazing, wonderful things from Shein, and I'm gonna do my bedding today with the beautiful, lovely set that I got from Shein, you guys. I did order quite a bit of things from Shein, you guys. Say hi, YouTube. Right there, the camera. Say hi, YouTube. Hi. Say it.
Hi, YouTube.
Hi, YouTube. I'm Shakai. Oh, thank you. Now they know who you are. The person mumbling and walking back and forth in my video. I don't know in this video I'm really going to reveal everything in here, you guys. I really just want to show you where I get these amazing sheets from. Because this is like my third time getting sheets from them. And as you see, I have a California king-size bed. A big bed. You go on their website, there's the price. That's what it looks like. Look at that. Isn't this perfect for going into like winter or summer vibes? But I just think the colors. So I had to order 2 different packages. All right. Say pillowcase. I ordered a pillowcase. Yeah, a pillowcase with a fitting of a sheet and a cover. A cover for the blankets. Yeah. Let's see how beautiful this is. And yes, you guys, this does beat the price of Ross, TJ Maxx, and Macy's. I mean, I really can't complain. This price is bomb. Now, I usually would wash it before I put it on my bed, but you know, this is so like prestige. It's not wrinkled, so why not? You know what I mean? Why not just put it on there straight like this? So perfect. 2 pillowcases came with this package, perfect, and 2 pillowcases came with this because a girl loves her pillows. We're gonna do like 4 pillows, and I got some decorating pillows. I'm just curious, are these the same? Oh shoot, look at that. So the one that comes with a comforter is a lot longer, so that's something different. Okay, and these are a lot littler, so that's gonna be cool. It's gonna give this some nice depth, you know. So let's make for sure you lay them all out, and yeah, it's looking good. Okay, so I put the fit on there. It looks so pretty. I love this like mustard yellow with this little token of gray, very modern boho print. Let's put these pillows on. Fitting and the sheet cover and the 4 pillows from Shein. I also got this great pillow cover from Shein as well. I think I did a video about it because I bought a whole series of these pillowcases. So it's a pillowcase from Shein, you guys. I think it was like $2, $3. It has a little zippers, easy to wash. I just demolished one of my kids' stuffed animals and just stuffed this puppy up. So yeah, and these other pillow covers actually came from, I think it was from Bath & Beyond before they went out of business. I got a hold of those because they're very high-end quality. I love that they're a cover as well with the zipper, and they're like a velvet. I had these first, so I was really looking for some kind of bedding to go with it, and I'm so happy and excited that I finally found something to go with it. As of this one too, I had this first. So yeah, I think this really looks good. Now I gotta just change my curtains to like gray or white.
Now I see the transformation all coming together. Wow, it looks so high-end and luxury. I just want to dive in. But not only I'm in love with this style, I want to add a couple more pillows, you guys. Take off that furry blanket on the end and add one other simple blanket, and let's see how that's going to look.
Whew. Well, I forgot to tell you guys. So yeah, the white furry comforter that I had on earlier, I did find that from Ross. And then this one, I think I got it from a hotel. You know what I'm saying. I got a little cold, I wrapped it around me, I was by the pool, and before you know it, I kept it by accident. But yeah, so I think that's about it. If it's anything that I'm missing, the fake plant, if you guys did like that one's from Ross. The vintage bucket that belonged to my great grandma. You probably could find something like that from, I guess, the secondhand store maybe, or a yard sale, or even OfferUp. Maybe you can find like a vintage thing like that. If you do like how that nightstand is tucked underneath my bed, it's perfect to saving, you know, space, to minimize much space that you have. That came from Ross as well, and they have different ones. If you don't want mirror, I think they have some that are like made out of wood and stone, you know, different ones. And I feel like I paid around almost $40, somewhere around $40 to $29, somewhere around in there. And yeah, I think that would be it. I think I didn't forget anything. So I hope you guys, like always, enjoy these type of videos. I love, love, love my comforter cover and fitting sheets with my 4 pillows. And I feel like the price was very affordable. Very affordable. So I do want to do another video, you guys, of like, because I've seen you guys have a lot of requesting on this wonderful bookshelf. So I definitely want to do a little something about it. If you want to know any details and you can't wait to a video, I can answer your questions down below. So make for sure of that. I'm standing here in the space because I just want to show you that this mess ain't no joke. Like, it's tall, it's beautiful. Yes, she needs to be painted. And let me know, you guys, like, what should I paint it? Like, I was thinking about a baby soft pink. I was thinking maybe even a gray. I was thinking a black, but I don't kind of want to do black, you know. I want to stay away from browns. So anything comes to mind, let me know, you guys. If you know about a cool colored paint that you think would look awesome on this wonderful floating shelf slash bookshelf slash purse, all the above, closet, display. I mean, it's beautiful. So I really think I accomplished this transformation, you guys. I think this is really giving out good vibes. This is perfect for all around the year. The colors are so vibrant, not over the top. Definitely give you modern, boho, shabby chic, like a little bit of everything. It just depends on your bed frame and how you add everything around it. I feel like it looks really good right now because the bookshelf is raw, but once I paint it, it might set it off a little bit, but we'll see. We'll see. But I'm loving it, and the fabric is nice. It did have a nice zipper. It was easy to put the comforter in there, and the fitting of this, it fits really well. I actually got like 2 other different sheet covers and stuff from Shein, and I never had an issue of it actually shrinking. So I'm going to be putting this in the dryer and everything. And I love my affordable sheets because I have young kids that are like 2 and 4, and it's no time for, you know, spending like top dollar, like $100 or something for this stuff, you know? So that's why I shop at Shein, to get this affordable, you know, affordable stuff. Why not? All right, you guys, so this is the final finishes. I mean, isn't it lovely? Isn't it beautiful? Get too carried away. I mean, like I did, the big old box. So I will be doing more Shein videos. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. I love doing videos like this. Make for sure you watch this one that I did about almost 4 years ago, of when I finally purchased this bed. If you think this bed is fabulous, I'll go in detail in that video of how much I paid, how much money I saved, and other places that you can buy it new or used too. So definitely watch that video. And if you enjoy videos like this, subscribe to the channel right there. I really appreciate it. Give this video a thumbs up. And voila! I just love this color. It just makes me feel so cheerful and happy, and like I'm in a high-end hotel.